All right, so we're headed up Jupiter Lift right now. It's my first time going up to the top. We're gonna hike to the summit. Joe's gonna be my Sherpa.
Sherpa Joe here. Yeah, it's pretty dope, dude. It's conditions are decent today. It's like bluebird, sunny day. The snow's a little hard and some spots are a little icy, but we'll see what the summit's like. I mean, hopefully it's not super icy at the top. We're taking like a small cat track to the summit. We're just gonna go as far over as we can. And then once we get as far out, we start hiking, and it's...
Left off the lift. Joe's gonna show us the cat track.
All right, here we go. Spot.
That's where we hike, bro?
Yeah, it's honestly not as bad as you think. A lot of walking, but probably like 20 minutes, 25. Woo! Yeah, getting there. Freaking windy today, man.
Alright, we're going in here. Hit the first chute. Here. There you go.
Okay. Alright, we're about to do Jupiter. Here we go.
First time doing juke. Let's go.
man. I kind of like wish I wouldn't have sidestepped as much in there, but I don't know. Once it opened up, it was better. Got better turns going. But it was an alright run. There was decent snow at the top, so I'll say that. At the top, the snow was very, like, just fluffy, given the conditions. Still not like powder, but it was kind of fluffy.
Yeah, first run on Jupe in the books. Hiking up there, it was sweet. A little icy in the middle chute, but otherwise the snow was amazing. Super good, especially when it opened up.
It's great.
Joe has gator vibes.
Serious gator vibes after that. No! Sorry.
Go get it, Joe.
Should I slide down it?
Yeah.
Safe!
Woo, there's nice. That's a little sketch. Thanks, buddy.
I mean, that's how like rocky it is. It's like a sea of snow.
Yeah, these are nasty. Holy crap, dude.
I know, right? Hold on. I gotta get this song cleaned up.
Do it?
Huh?
You gonna do it?
I don't know. I feel like yeah, I can.
So there's an exposed tree down there. You see that?
Yeah.
Up to the right.
Michael's about to hit this.
This place a room. Make me feel alive.
much pow pow.
Do things a little different here.